Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if a specific process is already running in your Ubuntu system or not. So we will be using just a simple command in the terminal, which is super useful when you are troubleshooting apps or making sure you don't start the same process twice. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So we'll be using a simple tool called pgrep. It's designed to search for processes by name, and it tells you if it's already running or not. So first, all you have to do is actually open your terminal by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T, and then once you're in your terminal, just simply enter this command right over here. Now over here, this command looks through currently running processes and returns their process ID. If it finds any match, it'll give you the process ID, and if the application isn't running, it won't give you anything. So as you can see, Firefox is currently closed. So let's run this simple command, and as you can see, it gave nothing. Now let's start Firefox, and then again, let's test this command. So now the Firefox is currently running, as you can see right over here. Let's open a tab, say Wikipedia. Now let's minimize the browser and try to use the same command again. Now hit enter, and this time it will give you a process ID or PID, which is the ID for Firefox. And if you see this ID, that means this particular application or process is running in your system, and over here you can choose any type of application or process you want. All you have to do is simply change the name and press enter. If running, it'll give a PID. So that's it. You've now learned how to check whether a process is already running using a simple terminal command. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.